internet. Today we are going to do the installation on this food truck. As you see behind me, we got to install this brand new unit inside. We're going to take out the whole unit in and then take it out for installation. So stay on with us. I'm about to check up the gas pressure. So the most important thing to do during the startup is to check the pressure, the static pressure, and then the dynamic gas pressure. So we're gonna check it really quick.
Okay.
What we are doing right now to read the dynamic gas pressure, we have in 1002 water column pressure reading. That is the dynamic gas pressure reading. And then on the data plate there, we have 10-inch water column. That's a requirement from the factory. So we are looking good. So what we did is we turned all the equipment on to get all the pressure reading during the normal condition of operation. So we are looking good. So always during the startup, check the fluid. You have checked it.
What am I looking for?
Hey, internet. So we just finished the startup of that new fryer. Everything went through fine. It was good. So we checked all the gas pressure. The reading was good. We pulled out the fryer, and then I think it's good to go. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and then follow us on the social media. Thank you.